The Supreme Court handed a big win to the LGBTQ community today, ruling 6-3 that an employer who fires a worker for being gay or transgender violates the law. And KEZI 9 News reporter Emma Withrow is live tonight in the studio for a closer look at what this means.
Right, Renee. Well, legal experts I spoke with call this a huge milestone for the United States, one that students will be highlighting in their history books for years to come. Now, the decision by the High Court dealt with 3 different cases. In all 3 situations, the employers admitted that they fired their workers for being gay or transgender, but they argued that this didn't violate the Civil Rights Act. Well, today the Supreme Court told them that they're wrong. What's most surprising about this is 2 of the court's conservative members, Neil Gorsuch and John Roberts, sided with the liberal justices to hammer down the 6-3 ruling. It's important to note, though, that Oregon was one of the 21 states that already protected members of the gay community in the workplace since 2008. But now the rest of the country will have to follow suit. I spoke to community members today and asked them what this ruling means to them.
It's wonderful that now legally we can't be discriminated against across, the country, but I think still one thing that we need to look at and tackle is the fact that there's organizational homophobia.
It's absolutely a victory for the gay community, for the trans community, and for activists that have been working on this for decades. In fact, folks were working on employment stuff way before they were working on marriage equality.
Gash actually told me that the fight for marriage equality took attention away from the fight for employment security for the gay and trans communities. But nevertheless, they now both have legal standing and issues across the country as of today. And community members who I spoke with said today's win will be cherished, but the war for equality is far from over. Reporting live in the studio, Emma Withrow, KEZI 9 News.